Think coding is too hard to learn? Think again. Coding, also known as programming, is like giving instructions to a computer in its own language. You can use languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++ to create websites, apps, and even video games. Here's the scoop. Different coding languages have different purposes. Python's great for data analysis and machine learning. JavaScript makes websites interactive. And C++? It's a powerhouse for games and system software. Now, coding isn't just typing random stuff. It's about using logic to solve problems step by step. This is called creating algorithms. Once your code is ready, it's turned into a form the computer gets, machine code. Then, voila, your program runs doing tasks like calculations or interacting with users. Don't worry about mistakes. Debugging or fixing errors is a big part of the fun. Coding is super useful in fields like software development, data science, AI, and game development. So, ready to start your coding journey? Let's make some digital magic.